Hi, my name is Janani Ravi and welcome to this course on Predictive Analytics with PyTorch. A little about myself. I have a master's degree in electrical engineering from Stanford and have worked at companies such as Microsoft, Google and Flipkart. At Google, I was one of the first engineers working on real-time collaborative editing in Google Docs, and I hold 4 patents for its underlying technologies. I currently work on my own startup, Lunicorn, a studio for high-quality video content. In this course, you will see how to build predictive models for different use cases based on the data that you have available at your disposal and the specific nature of the prediction you're seeking to make. You will start off by learning how to build a linear regression model using sequential layers. You'll understand different activation functions and dropout that can be added to your PyTorch neural networks. Finally, you'll explore how to build classification models in PyTorch. Next, you will learn how to leverage recurrent neural networks or RNNs to capture sequential relationships within text data. Finally, you will see how a recommendation system can be implemented in several different ways, using techniques such as content-based filtering, collaborative filtering, as well as hybrid methods. You will explore how to build a recommender system in PyTorch by modeling it as a regression model for ratings estimation. Importantly, you'll also see how such a recommender system can be evaluated using a complex metric known as the mean average precision at K. When you're finished with this course, you will have the skills and knowledge to build, evaluate, and use a wide array of predictive models in PyTorch, ranging from regression through classification and finally extending to recommendation systems.